I've taken this sauce off the burner, but I'm keeping it over this hot water. And I'm going to whip it as it cools down. Hollandaise will thicken up as the butter cools down. You can see how thick it is already, and it's still sitting over this hot water. Now once this water cools down to where it's just barely steaming, or it stops steaming altogether, you can go ahead and take the bowl off of the water. I'm going to continue to beat this sauce to keep the fat incorporated as it cools down. This sauce has slowly solidified. It's almost like Jell-O. It's kind of jiggly, and you can see the butter shining on the surface. I'm going to put it in the fridge now. Okay, now right here is my chilled hollandaise sauce. I just took it out of the fridge, and it's really thick. It's been in the fridge for a good 30 minutes, and it never separated. It isn't separated underneath either. See that? Now I'm going to reheat it. Now you want to set the bowl on top of this cool water. And you're going to heat the water and the sauce together. Turn your burner up to between low and medium. You can see how thick this is. It's like a cheese spread. Now you can hasten this process a little bit by microwaving a small bowl of water and set this bowl of hollandaise into the hot water. Do not microwave the sauce. Now once this water gets hot and the bowl heats up, you want to stir it with your whisk so it doesn't separate, because it's going to try and separate on you. There you go. That's all you have to do, and you brought it right back. You can chill and reheat hollandaise if you make it right from the beginning. So don't listen to those celebrity chefs on TV.